welcome again to Millside. So today I'm talking about the BrewZilla and the Digiboil that we're bringing into South Africa. For those of you who don't know, we are the official agents for KegLand in South Africa. We have the 65 and the 35 BrewZilla loaded on the website www.millside.co.za, as well as the Digiboil 35 and 65. The Digiboil comes standard with a mash upgrade kit from us. What that means is you now get a full malt pipe, you get the sip plate for the malt pipe, you get a false bottom here to protect whatever is coming out at the bottom if you're putting a pump on, and a malt pipe handle to lift it up and down. The system doesn't come standard with an integrated pump or cooling coil. You can obviously purchase pumps from us and integrate that into the system. Cooling coil, we can offer you a number of options there as well. But you can do a full grain bill. You can distill in these units as well. The control system is obviously slightly different to the BrewZilla. Again, it's very simple. You program in whatever your set temperature is. When it reaches that, it'll switch off and keep that temperature. If you're doing step mashing, obviously you need to program that in manually. There are two rocker switches on the side here and one rocker switch. That is to switch a unit on and off. This is to adjust between the different wattages on the element. 1900 or 500. On the BrewZilla, 500, 1000 or 2000. So if you, for instance, just bringing everything up to a boil, you can put it on full power. If you're distilling, you would only use 500 watts. Now this is an example of a BrewZilla 35, and we've put an alembic lid on and our own still system with sight glass, gauge, etc. These units are extremely simple to distill with. We did actually have a query the other day from somebody asking about the element switching on and off. Now, that's only going to happen if you're running it with full power. You're probably flooding the still, not a good idea. I will actually run a video on distilling with these units so you can get an idea of how simple and easy it is. What's important to know is that you can purchase all these options from us right now, be it a standard distillation lid, a copper, all the still components, etc. We're supplying full grain kits for these, so we've made up mash bills for ales, etc. So if you're purchasing one of these units and you want to try a tested recipe, purchase one or two of those grain kits from us as well to go with it. Full specs on the website. You can purchase the systems on the website. We'll courier it out to you. It is advisable, especially nowadays, to take insurance on these items. Please note that when we ship them, there's no insurance as standard. So please make sure you ask for that option rather than take the risk of the units getting damaged while being transported. In terms of the BrewZilla, obviously this control circuit's a big upgrade compared to the Digiboil. Let's say, for argument's sake, you want to do a brew that night, but you're working. Before you leave for work, put your water in, program the unit with a timer. When you come back home, it's at strike temperature. You can mash in. Again, you can put in all your step controls if you're doing step mashes, etc. Again, also very simple and easy to use. You can adjust temperature controls here on the side. It just makes the system simple, easy, and cost-effective to run. So for more information, go onto the website. You can have a good look there at what comes with the units as standard. There's a bunch of options coming onto the website soon for these units, and also for the BrewZilla and a bunch of other miscellaneous items. Please drop us mails if there's equipment that you're looking for. We are purchasing soon from KegLand again, and we want to try and bring in what you guys are looking for. Obviously, we won't know until you guys tell us. So please send us that information on what you're looking for, and we'll bring those items in. And especially if we're getting lots of requests for the same items, we'd like to keep a lot more stock of those items for you guys. So happy brewing. We look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a good day. See you again on the next distilling video, which we're going to do probably with a Digiboil, and we'll run a full distillation and show you guys how the unit works. Cheers for now.